Hey guys, I got a package here from Oracle Peptides from Richmond and mine, Rebecca. Now, she has a beautiful dream of making affordable daily living a real thing. Affordable daily healthy living a real thing. Now, these peptides have, for one, enhanced my life a lot. I wasn't feeling the same after a few surgeries, and once I started taking peptides again, I got back to healing faster than I ever was before. And I would like to show you guys what I got here today. Alright.
Okay, that's out of camera. Okay.
That might be extra bubble wrap to keep it all safe. There we go. Alright. And let's see what we have here. Alright. Alright. Here we have the bacteria static water, which is how you constitute these because they come in powder form. Trying to here, careful here. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Another bacteria static water. And here we have the peptide. Here we have glow stack, and that has copper, and it helps a lot with vitality, it helps with skin, it helps with scarring after an injury or after surgery. And that right now has helped out a lot with healing for me. And here we have NAD+, which helps out a lot with energy. I'm often not able to find the motivation to get up sometimes out of bed just because my energy is so low. And at my age, it's really not normal, but it's because of my head injury. And I can just feel really, what's the word I'm looking for, sluggish, pretty much all the time. And this has helped out a lot with that. I actually have the energy to get up and take care of the things I need to take care of, and to take care of myself better. And that's something that really helps out a lot.
What's up?
Share more one.
Yeah. Go ahead, I'm holding it for the camera.
Okay. So the next one is ceramorelin, which helps a lot with tissue, with tissue growth. It actually helps to trigger human growth hormone during sleep to help with injury recovery up to 40 to 50% in time. So Instead of taking 18 days to recover as expected, it could take only 9 or 10.
Template. Nice Oracle.
Oh yeah, what do we have here?
Shows the different things that are offered. So it comes with a nice pamphlet.